development. And in this topic, we will study how moral characters develop through stages. And it says here moral development refers to the ways we distinguish right from wrong as we grow and mature. Moral development focuses on the emergence, change, and understanding of our concept of morality from infancy through adulthood. We will get to discover the three levels: pre-conventional, conventional, and post-conventional. And each levels has their own stage. For level 1, we have stage 1, obedience and punishment. For level 1, we have stage 2, instrumental orientation. For level 2, we have stage 3, which is good boy, nice girl orientation. For level 2, we have stage 4, the law and order orientation. For level 3, we have stage 5, the social contract orientation. And for level 3, we have stage 6 as what we call as the universal ethical principle orientation. According to Kohlberg, for the first level, what we call as pre-conventional, throughout the pre-conventional level, a child's sense of morality or concept of morality is externally controlled, meaning ang concept ng morality ng bata ay naaayon sa nakikita niya sa ginagawa ng mga matatanda. Children accept and believe the rules of authority figures such as their parents and teachers. So nakaka-recognize na ang mga bata ng mga figures of authority. And those figures of authority is what they will be their pattern for their concept of morality in terms of their own behavior. A child with pre-conventional morality has not yet adopted or internalized society's conventions regarding what is right or wrong. So meaning, hindi pa limitado pa lamang ang kaalaman ng bata tungkol sa morality. That kid or children under the level 1 focuses largely on external consequences that certain actions may bring. I am talking about particularly on the stage 1, which we call as the obedience and punishment orientation. Dito naman sa stage na to, children desire to obey rules and avoid being punished. So since they do not want to be punished, they would rather obey. For example, an action is perceived as morally wrong because the perpetrator or the doer of the action is punished. So nalalaman ng bata na mali ang kanyang ginawa dahil binigyan siya ng kaparusahan. Malalaman niya na tama ang kanyang ginawa dahil hindi siya binigyan ng kaparusahan. That is on stage 1. On stage 2, what we call as instrumental orientation, this is an expression that includes what's in it for me, position in which right behavior is defined by whatever the individual believes to be in their best interests. So the what's in it for me expression says more about the advantage or the benefit of the doer of the action. Kumbaga, ano yung makukuha niyang benepisyo or advantage kapag ginawa niya yan, kapag hindi niya to ginawa, ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa kanya. So the what's in it for me is something like an egocentric expression na ano yung makukuha ko kapag ginawa ko yan. 'Di ba dahil alam naman natin ang mga bata nakafocus lamang sa incentive or sa kanilang sariling kabutihan. On level 2, which we call as conventional, on this stage, a child's sense of morality is tied to personal and societal relationships. Here, children can now recognize relationships and adhere to the rules and conventions is somewhat rigid during these stages, and rules appropriateness or fairness is seldom questioned. So dito nagiging palatanong na ang mga bata. Hindi na lang sila laging sumusunod, nagiging mas keen observant pa sila. Inoobserbahan nila ang nangyayari sa kanilang paligid at mahilig na silang magtanong or mag-inquire. On stage 3, which is what we call as good boy, nice girl orientation, here children want the approval of others and act in ways to avoid disapproval. So they want to be appreciated. They want anything and everything that gets to be approved regarding their action. gustong-gusto ng mga bata na makarinig ng